And moving on to Uttar Pradesh, Mahakumbh in Prayagraj viewers is witnessing Basant Panchami celebrations, and this marks the third and the final Amrit Snan date at the Kumbh. Now, this also comes, remember, against the backdrop of the tragic stampede during the last Amrit Snan. This happened last week. The administration hence is doing everything to ensure that no untoward incident takes place. Again, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath reviewed security measures personally and ensured that strict crowd management measures are also in place. In fact, he directed that all doctors across Mahakumbh Nagar and the entire division remain vigilant to ensure the safety and well-being of millions of devotees. So far, 33 crore devotees have participated in the holy bath, with 3 crore more expected the next few hours. Arun, my colleague, has been getting us non-stop ground reports. Take a look.
We are in Prayagraj and all is set for Basant Panchami's Amrit Snan. On 29th, Mauni Amavasya, there was an unfortunate incident which happened here in Prayagraj, in which 30 people lost their lives and more than 60 are injured. But you still have people coming here in Prayagraj to be part of this Mahakumbh Mela and take that holy dip. Let me quickly show you a glimpse that how this morning people are coming here across the country and to be part of this atmosphere. I will also explain to you what has changed on the ground post that Mauni Amavasya's unfortunate incident. The security, of course, has been tightened. This entire area has been made a no vehicular movement. VVIP, VIP passes have been cancelled. You can see this route has also been blocked. Earlier, when I was here, this route was open. People could go through this, but now there are certain restrictions which put. So you have a one way to go in, and once you come out after taking that holy dip, you will have another way. So I think it's a crowd management thing which Uttar Pradesh administration has done. Now, coming back to what has changed on the ground, Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, was here in Prayagraj yesterday. He, took a stock of the situation. He went to the Sangam, and in fact, he went to the hospital also, where injured are being treated. At this point, we are told that 7 to 8 senior and experienced IPS officers have been asked to report Mahakumbh. So they have been deployed here in this place after what happened on 29th, that unfortunate incident. So we are in Prayagraj at this point, and we are heading towards the Triveni Sangam. But before that, let me quickly show you the crowd which is pouring in here today for Basant Panchami Amrit Snan. You can see this is a vantage point from where we are showing you that the crowds which are actually swelling in today, and they all are heading towards the Sangam. And in fact, what happened on 29th of January on Mauni Amavasya day was very unfortunate, but still you can see these people are coming from different parts of the country to take that holy dip, of course, braving what happened on that day. In fact, the security and everything has changed on the ground. The routes which were blocked, otherwise for the VVIP movement, that has also been opened. And in fact, as we speak, you can see this is also a formation which they have made. Like you have a rope on the on 4 corners, and everyone is actually walking inside this rope. This is also, of course, one of the ways to keep everyone together. You can see you have at least 50 to 70 people inside this. All of them, every age people are here actually. They've come here, they have taken the holy dip, and look at the way they are sticking together. So I think everybody wants here that, what happened on 29th is not repeated.